Hare Krishna, the story of Ganpati Bhatt. There was a Brahmin by the name Ganpati Bhatt who lived in a small village called Kanyari in the state of Karnataka. He was a very great devotee of Lord Sri Hari and was very merciful to others. He was free from greed, had no attachment to sense gratification, and was well versed in all the scriptures. All of his senses, including the mind, were completely under his control. He only worshipped Lord Vishnu and had no interest in worshipping any demigods. He knew that Lord Jagannath is all in all, the controller of everything. Anyone who takes shelter of his lotus feet will be freed from material bondage. Without the mercy of that Parabrahma, no one can be delivered. Ganpati Bhatt was always thinking, if I can see that Parabrahma in his transcendental form with my own two eyes, then my life will be successful. One day, Ganpati Bhatt was reading Brahma Puran about how the Lord manifested in Nilagiri in his transcendental form. If one sees him in this form, he will be freed from material bondage and will get liberation. He will not face Yamraj ever again. When Ganpati Bhatt read this, it touched his heart. Then he understood. This life is useless. He thought, what is the use of wife, children and wealth? Parabrahma has manifested on this earth in Nilagiri. I am spending my time uselessly being unaware of this fact. Why should I be so foolish to stay here after knowing that the Lord has manifested in Nilagiri? As long as I have strength in my body, my wife, all these children and relatives will be with me. No one will accompany me when I leave this body. When I become old, my children and wife will think I am a great burden upon them. In this material world, no one is a friend of anyone. Ganpati Bhatt thought, better I go to Nilagiri and take darshan of Parabrahma so that I can get liberation. Thinking in this way, he left his house and started the journey to Puri. He was living on what he attained through begging on his way to Puri and was happy to get whatever was available. Sometimes he fasted because food was not available to him. He would pacify his hunger by eating some leaves and drinking water. Finally, Ganpati Bhatt reached Atharanala, a place just at the entrance of Puri. It is believed that once someone crosses this place to enter Puri Dham, they will not face any punishment from Yamraj. Ganpati Bhatt purified himself by taking darshan of that place and sat down to meditate upon Brahma. Later, Ganpati Bhatt saw some people returning from Puri. They were looking very happy and holding pots of Jagannath Prasad in their hands. Ganpati Bhatt asked them, kindly tell me where you have all come from. Why are you all so happy? What have you achieved? The travelers replied, O dear Brahman, we are returning from Nilakandar. There we spent 5 days taking darshan of Parabrahma. Now we are all going to our homes, very happy and satisfied. It is very rare to have darshan of the Lord. After taking darshan of the Lord, what else is there to achieve? Hearing this from the travelers, Ganpati Bhatt was very surprised. He asked them, have you really seen Brahma? They replied, yes, we took his darshan. After this exchange, the travelers continued on their way. Ganpati Bhatt thought to himself, this cannot be true, that Brahma is here. They have not seen Brahma. If they had, why are they coming back? Should have all merged into Brahma. That is what I have heard from the Puran, that anyone who takes darshan of Brahma at Nilagiri immediately attains liberation. So how can these people be going back to their houses even after getting darshan of Brahma? He asked many people who were coming from Puri. They were all coming back after taking darshan of the Lord. Ganpati Bhatt became very confused. He opened the Puran and checked it again and again. He saw that the Puran clearly mentioned that Brahma resides in Puri. If one sees him, he will get liberation immediately. Ganpati Bhatt was very confused and thought, what should I do now? Now I do not know what to do. I do not know what is right and what is wrong. Better I commit suicide and give up this body. But then again, it is not good to commit suicide. Lord Jagannath understood the mind of Ganpati Bhatt. He came to meet with Ganpati Bhatt in the form of an old Brahman. He asked Bhatta, where have you come from? Where are you planning to go? Why are you sitting here and looking so sad? Ganpati Bhatt replied, my dear Brahman, please listen. I read in the Puran that Brahma is in Nilagiri. Just by getting darshan of him, one attains immediate liberation. But now I found there is no Brahma in Puri. The Lord in the form of old Brahman asked Ganpati Bhatt, how did you decide that there is no Brahman in Puri? Bhatta replied, as far as I know, if someone sees Brahma, then he is supposed to merge into his body and thus get liberation. But now I have seen many people coming back from Puri even after seeing the form of the Lord. From this I conclude that there is no Brahma there. If there was, then after taking darshan of Brahma, all of these people would have attained liberation. Hearing this, he smiled and replied, Lord Hari is known as Kalpataru. That means he fulfills everyone's desires. These people had come with a desire to go back to their house, so the Lord fulfilled their desire. Otherwise, how can he be Vanchakalpataru, a wish-fulfilling tree? If someone comes here thinking to be happy here, or to get liberation, or to go back to his abode to serve him, they will get the result according to their desire. Please do not think that there is no Brahma here. After saying this, the Lord in the form of the Brahman left Ganpati Bhatta. He prepared himself to enter Puri Dham. He reached the lion gate of the Jagannath temple and took darshan of Patita Pavan. Coincidentally, that day was Devasnana Purnima. Lord Jagannath, Baladev and Subhadra and Sudarshan Chakra were brought to Snana Mandap for taking bath. Many pujaris were pouring water on the deities of the lords. Thousands of devotees falling, Jaya Jaya, all glories, all glories. Many demigods were there disguised in human form. Ganpati Bhatt was a believer of the Ganesh form of the Lord. Ganpati Bhatt took darshan of the Lord Daru Brahma, but he did not see the elephant face of the Lord. He had strong faith that Brahma had a face like an elephant, but here he saw some different face. He thought the deities could not be Brahma since they did not have elephant faces. Dissatisfied, he left the place without even offering obeisances. He was very disappointed. He was convinced that Brahma had a face like an elephant. Understanding his firm conviction, Lord Jagannath immediately appeared to Mudirath, the representative of the king of Puri. The Lord told him, my devotee came from a great distance to see me. But now he is going back, being very much disappointed at not seeing the elephant-faced form of mine. You go immediately and call him back. Tell him that he should come back and have darshan of my form with an elephant face. Mudirath immediately got up and ran to bring Ganpati Bhatt back to Puri. He explained to Ganpati Bhatt, Lord Daru Brahma is able to give Chat Burga, 4 kinds of benedictions. Please take darshan of the Lord. All your desires will be fulfilled. The Lord is here in the form of Daru Brahma in Nilagiri to fulfill everyone's desires. Why are you so foolish, going back without taking darshan of the Lord? Bhatta replied with great anger, where is Brahma? Why are you cheating me? I do not see an elephant face. How can there be Brahma without an elephant face? If I do not see a trunk on the face, I do not accept this as a deity of Brahma. I do not care what you say. Why are you trying to bring me back? Mudirath replied, you must give up your wrong impression. Just come back and look very attentively. You will see the elephant face of the Lord. There is no doubt about this. After hearing this, Ganpati Bhatt returned to the temple. He looked upon the Lord, and there he saw the face of an elephant. There was a very big trunk and one beautiful tusk on his face. Manifesting his wonderful Vishwaroop, the Lord called his devotee, Bhatta offered his respectful obeisance and prayers. O my Lord Gajanan, Daru Brahma, Ganapati, Lord of everyone, now I am satisfied to have your darshan. All my doubts are dispelled. Now I have one request to you. From today onwards, whenever you come to this Snana Mandap on this day, please manifest this form and give your darshan to everyone. After saying this, Ganpati Bhatt fell on the ground, meditating upon Daru Brahma. He immediately merged into the body of the Lord. Everybody could see his soul entering into the body of the Lord. The crowd was shouting, "All glories, all glories." Even today, Sri Jagannath, Sri Baladev, and Srimati Subhadra are dressed in Hathi Vesh after taking their bath on Snana Purnima day. Just see the greatness of the Lord Jagannath. This Lord is worshipped by Lord Brahma and Lord Shiva. Just to satisfy his devotee, he accepted an elephant face. That is why he is known as Bhavagrahi, one who accepts the mode of his devotee. Thank you. For more videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hare Krishna.